In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a Zoom meeting. Whether you're trying to quiet background noise, keep a presentation focused, or manage a large group. Muting in Zoom is simple once you know where to look. We'll cover 3 common scenarios: muting yourself, muting everyone as the host or co-host, and setting Zoom to mute people automatically when they join. First, muting yourself. During any Zoom meeting, look for the microphone icon on the toolbar. Click it once to mute and click again to unmute. You'll know you're muted when you see a red slash across the mic and others can't hear you. This is especially handy if there's sudden noise on your end, like typing or a ringing doorbell. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, on Windows you can press Alt+A to toggle mute on and off, and on a Mac you can use Command+Shift+A. A quick glance at the audio meter next to your microphone can also confirm if sound is being picked up before you speak. Next, muting all participants if you're the host or co-host. This is useful for lectures, briefings, or any time you need a quiet room to speak clearly. Start by clicking the Participants button in the meeting controls to open the list of attendees. At the bottom of that panel, click Mute All. A prompt will appear. If you don't want attendees to unmute themselves, uncheck the option labeled Allow Participants to Unmute Themselves. Then click Continue or Mute All to confirm. This immediately silences everyone's microphones. Keep in mind that preventing unmuting can be helpful for order, but you might want to let people know how and when you'll invite them to speak. Finally, muting participants as they join, also known as mute on entry. This keeps incoming audio from interrupting the conversation. You can set this up in 2 places. When scheduling a meeting, enable the setting called Mute Participants on Entry in the Meeting options. If you're already in a meeting and want to switch it on, open the Participants panel, click the More button, and choose Mute Participants on Entry. From then on, anyone who joins will start muted, and you can invite them to unmute when it's their turn. That's it. With these tools, you can keep meetings clear, focused, and free from surprise noise.